guys, welcome back, guys. This is After Games here. Today we are playing. Today we're playing a motorbike game. Sorry, guys. Got kind of distracted. Playing a motorbike game. Your cell phone. Why? Why? I don't know. I'm playing this game today. It's a really cool game. I don't know what it's called. We're gonna be playing it, and let's see how it goes. You give me a like if you like the game, and download it if you like the game. But sadly, the makers of this game is not sponsoring this video. That's what's sad. It's not sponsoring it. That'd have been cool if it sponsored it. Because if you downloaded it, I would have got paid for it. And yeah, so you start out with the Kawasaki 123 F80, and then you move up to the helicopter, which is the bike that the Undertaker has. I don't know if I can get copyrights for that. There's a whole different camera positions. Alright, so the first one is super zoomed up. Second one is on the side of the bike. Third one is first person.
Motorbike game.
And you run out of fuel eventually. You have to watch an ad, or just see an ad. And you have the side one. And then you have normal camera. I like to keep it the normal camera. And I got my sound multiplier down low, because if I don't, I'll get my voice interfered. And I notice every time I do a video, I talk too low, so I'm trying to talk a little louder every time. It's just I'm not a loud talker. I've never been. And yeah, let's do some driving. Your max speed on the Kawasaki 110/34/7S. I think that's what it was, yeah. I forget now. It's 140, I think? Or 170. But the 180 in real life, the Kawasaki 180, can go 200, I believe. Its max speed is 200. But downhill, it's realistic. It gains more speed than what it should have. And so that's realistic, so your tires get more speed than what it should have, and the engine revs louder than what it should have. And that's realistic. Max speed is like 160, I think 200 is your max speed. But it takes forever to get to 200. I think you will run out of gas before you get to 200, and the reason I can't get to 200 is I hit stuff so much. And the faster you go, the more gas you burn. So eventually you run out of fuel. You have to either watch an ad or see an ad. And I'm not going to try and cover up my mic this time. And the one video has an ad on the front for the post video. But it's okay. Just go ahead and watch it. It's a video of Monster Jam. Just go ahead and watch it. We're running out of fuel, so we'll just go ahead and stop here. Make it look realistic. To make us either watch. No, I'm not gonna make us watch ads. It's gonna make us just see an ad. And we're gonna go down here. Zoe, go grab my headphones. Alright, guys, welcome back. Just had to pause for a few minutes. I went and got my headphones so my sister wouldn't interfere. I'm going to turn it down so I can actually hear myself talking. And, yeah. Because I'm going to... Wait, do I have my mic? Do I have the mic, guys? We'll see at the end of the video. Alright, let's go! And wild fuel. You can watch a YouTube video for bigger fuel tank, longer lasting fuel, but it's okay. As you know, we're playing a motorbike game. And we're going pretty quick now. I don't like it when you're trying to hit the reverse button and it doesn't work out. Sometimes it's supposed to... Oh, it's out of nitro. And up the hill it does decelerate. Realistic decelerating, and he actually looks back and walks it back. Hopefully the sound is not interfering with my voice. So I'm going to go down here and gain some speed and go down that hill and show you guys what I mean. It has speed physics. See the hill? I'm going 100 miles an hour. So that means it made me gain up to 150 faster than what it would gain.
Welcome back, guys. I'm doing another video.
And yeah, it's gaining way faster than what it should be.
Lock it up right here and now. Going.
Alright guys, hang on one second, we got an ad.
Give it up. Yep. I set up. Top shoes. Do what I do. Good mood. Is that you?
Stop singing.
Welcome back, guys. I am doing another video. I'm sorry about that one. And I got too interested with her. And so I like the little bullets in front.
Well, I actually got too interested in JoJo Siwa. Want to go check her out, but I do not like her.
I think I like too. So if you guys hear me, you can. Okay, one's got a little marker. So yeah.
So we're gonna change out bikes right quick.
So this is
hopefully
where
we have
JoJo's
another.
Scared about a clown being in her house. The wedding sounds of her. Her little.
I want to go back. Bikes.
And something like that. So yeah, we're gonna get on with this video right
I don't think you could. Oh yeah, okay.
I'm gonna start talking.
Well, with the dirt bike,
Or
have some fun on the dirt track.
so I want 50,000 likes. Like it up right here.
Oh yeah, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe so if we can get to 1,272 likes. Everybody like it up. So here's the dirt bike. Let's get going. It takes forever to build up speed. With nitro, it takes not very long. I don't really know what this top speed is, but it's made for off-roading, so it does not decelerate on off-roads. It gains speed like the motorbike. It decelerates like the Kawasaki F1 70. It decelerates, and this one accelerates on terrain. Up this hill, I just used nitro to make it go up the hill, so we have some speed to go across this, and then downhill we'll gain way more speed than what we originally have. Right there, I just slowed down. Not because I didn't want to go off the roads, because I didn't want to go too far off the road. We're gonna go in first person for this video, and yeah, ride in first person, show you guys what it looks like in first person. Let me know if I'm too far from the mic, and all my other videos I'll be closer to the mic. I don't know where this road's taking me. I've never been on this map. I've never rid this bike. I didn't even know you could switch bikes. I thought you were stuck with the Kawasaki. Thought you were stuck with a Kawasaki, a fast bike. But you're not. You can get dirt bikes. You can get a Harley, which is a helicopter. See, this accelerates because it's a dirt bike. It's made for off-roads. But if you want to keep your gas pedal down, and what that does is it makes you gain your speed. And yeah, so it makes you gain. So ow. So we're spinning around right quick, and I haven't been doing no regular videos because I don't have the camera, I don't have the lighting, I don't have all the special stuff, I don't have a computer. So instead of doing all that, I'm just gonna film on my phone for gaming. See, you gotta have some nitro.
Now I'm here, I'm trying to see.
I always slow down before I get there. So, and yeah, I hope you guys like the gaming videos. Soon I'll be doing a top 10 stuff. Might be the top 10 WWE. How good do you know your pro, or how good can you guess my videos? And what was my first video on my YouTube channel? Leave it down in the comments below for your guess. And then when we go to that video, that comment will be answered. And yeah, once I figure out how to answer the comments. I might be a YouTuber, but not all YouTubers know how to answer the comments or even check comments. Sometimes you get people watching, but you don't get subscribers or likes. You just get comments about what is this, what is that, why are you doing it, and stuff. My bike just tried to die. Alright, so it's not wanting to go up this, just acting up. We're gonna go around right quick and come back with some, wait, we don't need to go around. I forgot about the nitro. You just hit it. You could just hit it. And it should take me right up with ease up to where I can't go no more. And then hit the, so the nitro did not want to kick in because I had no speed. Up on the rocket brung me. And off the side it brung me. Oh, right into a building, a backflip, guys. I just want to go right past these two buildings. To make sure I'm going past them. Yep, nitro living. Cool, man. It's like you have an invisible stendo arm. So cool, guys. For the ramp, it is so cool. Don't try that backflip again. Alright, we had the nitro, so let's go around and hit another building with nitrous. We had the nitro going. We're going about 190 miles an hour. You guys comment. I didn't see speedometer when we hit it. With that building. Hey, back there. Backflip. Hit that building. Way back over there. Oh, shoot. Oh, wow. We went through the steps. Guys, so this dirt bike does not want to power out. Sister's over here singing a JoJo song. Tell me, guys, do you like JoJo Siwa? That's what that big burst of air was. It's me telling her to quiet down. That's what I was telling her. I'm trying to do a video, and she doesn't seem to really care. So we're getting the big tank of gas. We're back when the ad's over.
Right, you don't sneak up on.
Very long ad, but now it is over. I assume I can get out. Play. Yo. So we got the long-lasting tank. Oh, man. Jerked the headphones. I jerked the headphones right out of my ears. So, I'm just going to turn that play. And I'm going to hit the road. Call it another bike. another bike right quick. Restart. It should not restart. I just quit. Take you back to main menu. Will be back. Skip. Hikes. We're gonna take day TV. Go in the mystery map in city. So that's more OP mode. That's more OP mode. Stands for AKA Bad A. This thing seriously takes forever to build up with speed. I do not think it wheelies with the nitro. Nope, the nitro just speeds it up quicker. But I have to give it credit, it steers pretty quick. I have to give it credit for sharp steering and powering up hills without decelerating, which I'm sorry, it does decelerate. So I can't give it that credit because it decelerates, which sucks. Every bike I've used has decelerated. So we're gonna go down this hill and see if this one has speed physics. Go drop, get the drop, and then go down it. This is made for off-roading. See, it does not decelerate in the off-road. It actually speeds up the off-road area. See, I'm going uphill. That's why. See, watch it starting to recelerate. Watch it starts accelerating. See, off-road, recelerating. On the road, it wasn't accelerating quick enough. Backwards driver. I don't think you can see behind you when you're in first person. Backwards driving. Like 60-something miles an hour in reverse. Up there we go, off-road styles. Bike messed it by. But seriously, did we tear it up? Do we seriously mess this up? Because it does not want to move. There it goes. This is because we're sitting on the hill. It won't make it. I'm pretty sure it'll just come to a stop. And this one has a long-lasting fuel patch. I give it credit. Try to go over the barricade. Transmission is very bad in this solar. As you can see, it takes forever to get up. It takes forever to gain speed. That's why I like going down the hills with it. And then hitting an acceleration. Takes you about up to 90 miles an hour. Get you going some good speeds. Get somewhere with it. But in high speeds, it does not work right with steering in high speeds. Back up to 90 something. We're doing 101 speed right now. Not now anymore because we did that corner. Sharp as hell corner. 76 speeds. Reaching 90 miles an hour to 100 miles an hour speeds on a spoiler. After that hill, I can't reach 100 anymore. I'm determined to reach 100. I don't care if I have to hit something to reach it. We hit my gold speed. Oh, yes, we did. Don't ever stop on a hill, guys, at this full. I made it go 0 miles an hour to make it look like it actually ran out of gas. So we're gonna make it to this hill up here to get some speed. We're gonna coast down it. Don't want too much speed. Come on, hit that slope. Come on, go down it, go down it, go down it. Get that gas. Hit that mileage, hit that gas, don't be afraid. There's something I gotta say, don't be afraid, but hit that gas, don't be scared. I don't know, I just sing that. Oh man. Now it's gonna take forever to build up speed again. See, it just decelerates every time you tap the gas. Ugh. I don't know if we can do donuts. Let's try and do some donuts. We're doing some just straight turnaround donuts. What about with some nitro? Do we get some donuts if we use some nitrous? Give this is. Nope, you just hit a wall. That'll close out this video. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe.